you sneak up on Willie, and you come up next to Willie, and you say, "You're on PCTV."
Hey!
What's happening there, brother man?
How you doing?
Good to see you. Hey, Willie's got my winning ticket in his pocket for me because
Yep.
I learned he is
50-50,
the lucky
right?
charm. 50-50.
50-50. Got it.
And we'll go 50-50?
Yep.
Oh, uh-huh.
I'm warming him up for you, baby.
Thank you. Thank you. What do you think of this Mustang, dude? Original paint?
How'd you like that tackle
A lot of potential.
Cool.
It looks good. The car looks good.
I think it's shelby eyes. I don't think it's a real
I think you should leave it like that.
I kind of think so too. Do you know I actually sold one very similar to this, and the lady sued me for it. She said the car was no good, and it looked like this car, except it didn't have a wing or anything. It was like a 70. And we almost went to the people's court over it when they found out you can't sell a car as in California, so there was no sale. But it was pretty funny. Now I'm going to go and see our friend over here. Okay. All right, brother. Good to see you. All right, Jeffrey. How you doing, sir? Good to see you, buddy.
You're a good man.
Thank you, sir. Trying. Thank you.
Before you know it, you'll have 6 girlfriends.
Yeah, sure. That'll be the day.
And they're all here, too.
That could lead to trouble.
I want to thank you all.
That could lead to trouble.
Tonight
Let me
we
get
are
over here.
raffling up for the cash $331. That's my birthday. $331. How about that?
I buy you a donut if I win a $321.
Right now we're gonna call the trophies.
Oh, there we go. I just lost my plug again.
I'll buy you the
I keep
donut
losing my
if I
plug.
win.
All right.
Joan, our girl here selling the raffle tickets, and she handles the vendors. Anybody wants to be a vendor, talk to Joan. It's out of my hands, no more. So anyway, thank you all for coming out. If you're going to stay after the show, please park your cars. I want to thank PCTV, Comfortvision, Patrick Comfort, thank you for always filming. Lady T, you rock, you're wonderful, we love you. And I have to mention, next week, the 19th, we lost Dano live on Christmas Day. He was killed in a tragic accident. Lady T is his husband, and she's taken over the role of filming every single week down here. So if you see Lady T, give her a tip and tell her thank you. I really appreciate it. We love her, and she's fantastic. But what I want to say, next week his trial starts. They're going to convict these guys for killing Dano. So let's hear for that. Finally, justice will be done. So if you have a chance, go down to the Commerce Courthouse Monday morning and be there for that family and for Dano and just support them. Unfortunately, I won't be able to. I'll be in Big Bear with my kids and grandkids for the first time in 5 years. So I'm going to go have some fun for once. Blacktop Magazine, Tony, I want to thank you so much for everything, and I'll let you do an advertisement, and then we're going to do the trophies.
Oh, well, thank you, Diane. You and Rod just rocked the place here, and your team with Joni and everybody has just been awesome. I really appreciate it. Hey, I don't know about you guys, but I had a ton of fun with the Hot Wheel racing today. There was a bunch of kids enjoying it, and Diane, she's a winner, man. Don't go against Diane, I tell you. She's going to take your car away from you. But we had a great time. Hey, I'm working on the latest issue of Blacktop Magazine, number 27. It's the post-war issue, so it's a lot of fun, and it's going to be some great models in there. And oh yeah, look at Diane's got her new cards. She's got a set of the Blacktop trading cards with the 41 Dodge here that Rod put together. But it's a great car, neat trading cards. Yeah, man, I have one. Thank you. All right. So are we ready to do this? Hey, don't forget Cambra Speed Shop, man. These guys, they're rocking it over there. It's got to be the largest speed shop here in Orange County because they got like a dozen guys, usually about 20 cars in there they're working on at one time, and just really doing great stuff. So, where is Ron Cambra? Ron Cambra, come on up here and let's dole out your trophy. I see his lovely wife, Lori, and if you're looking for some real estate, go talk to her, man. She's the real estate maven here. So, Lori Cambra over at 7 Gables. I don't see Ron. I don't see Ron. Oh, there he is. Here he comes. He's coming.
Here's Ron Cambra of Cambra Speed Shop in Orange for all your needs.
Hey, all my needs, all your needs. Thank you all for coming out tonight. I really appreciate it. You know, God. I keep saying every time, thank God for them. We have a great place to go and hang out here and do this fun thing, so I really appreciate it. Thank you all. So.
Yeah.
We appreciate you, Ron and Lori, Seven Gables Real Estate, Tony, Blacktop Magazine, for supporting the show every single week for over 3 years now I've been here. And Rod for making the trophies every week. Thank you, honey. We all know you haven't been feeling well lately, but we're so glad that you're here to make the trophies. So the first trophy is going to go to a man that had a massive stroke in February, right? His name is Joe Colombo. He used to run the Orange Circle car show.
He still does.
And he still does? Is it still going to go on?
Yeah, we had a little cruise by his house not too long ago. That was really fun. And I just bought a bunch of old slot cars from him.
So this is the guy right here. Joe Colombo. He's been and his beautiful wife, daughters. Wife, not his wife, his daughters. Where's Tracy? They've been in this orange show they've been doing for years, and he's gonna be back doing it again. He's speaking Italian now. Everything's Italian. You don't understand him.
That happened to my grandfather, actually.
Get in here, Dianne. Get in here, Tony. Get in here. Dianne, get in here. Come here.
Here and say cheeseburger.
Hamburger.
Say, what do you say, Joe? Porto.
Fantastic.
Let's hear it for Joe. Woo! Fantastic guy. He did all my printing for me before this happened, and he's just wonderful. Always was there for me, and he's a great friend. And thank God you're here with us, and thank you for all your prayers through the months that I've advertised on him. So this is Joe. This is who we were praying for all those months. Fantastic. Goes to number 88, a 1952 Hudson, Susan Gordon. A 308 engine, original. Congratulations. Let's get a picture with her. And Ron, get over there. It's Ron night, so cambra night. I can't talk today. I need to go home. Ah, beautiful. Congratulations.
Awesome.
Yeah, you can have a lemon.
Absolutely. Take a lemon, some compounds, some hot stickers. Here, get a trading card. There you go. Okay, number 80. First place, 1956 Chevy Bel Air Manuel Rivera, 350 engine. Rivera? Congratulations. Let's get a picture.
There we go. Wow.
Try 5. Wow.
Congratulations. Very good.
All right, so now the next one is the Blacktop pick, and this is always a tough one for me because there's so many beautiful cars. I think about what would be really awesome in the magazine. So it's usually a custom or a hot rod. This time, though, it was a restored car that's as original, but my jaw just dropped when it rolled in late today. And it's a car number 92, and it's an AMC AMX 4-speed 390 car from Cocoa Orange County Car Club. And let's give it up for Mike Batanero. Mike. All right. And hey, this is his first time at the show, too. All right, here you are. Congratulations.
Give me a handshake, and we're going to get our picture taken here.
All right, beautiful car.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, that's it for the awards. Let's get on with the raffle. Who wants to win? Anything on the table except for the TV. 091
Right.
880.
Okay, and that's the raffle, you guys. I'm going to go shoot the rollout.
Going once?
All right, senor.
All right, senor, I'm going to go see the
No
rollout.
truck today, but
What's that?
no truck today. It's in the shop. It's in the shop right here.
I saw that. I saw
The
that.
woman wins this thing.
There you go. All right. Well, see you guys in a little while.
All right.